Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirits wants us to watch our words. We must move forward into our new lives with our own truth. And they say we still have temporary problems, but they will be sorted out. Breathe. There is prosperity arising from careful planning, and we must be thankful for what we do have at this time of our lives. Something good will come of this. There is something in the works coming your way that's unexpected, like a new job or something like that. Now is your lucky time, and it's going to bring you great happiness. Spirit also says that whatever you've been putting off, don't procrastinate any longer. Tackle that long overdue project. You'll feel better once you begin. They're saying that life is a mystery, and there is a veil of mystery that is all around you. And your loved ones say, let your inner beauty shine. You are a brilliant example of God's love. Everything about you is perfect. So let your light shine and inspire others. I love you very much. Have a good evening and a good night's sleep. Night, night.